Leah, congratulations. You seem to be the lucky charm. Last year, 2 tries, player of the match, and you win in the Pro Sim again this year. Some buzz.
Yeah, it's great. I'm over the moon now. The girls really put in a great shift. We knew that it was going to be hard today. Munster's never easy, so we knew coming up here to Kingspan that we had a job to do, and I feel like we did that and we executed everything like we said we would, and I'm just really proud of the girls. I'm proud we could do that for our captain Hannah today, who missed out.
Yeah, fair play, and it is a squad effort, and you know, you were on the bench in that game in Cork. It just seems to be that squad effort, and you have to fight for your place. You have to fight to get back in there.
Yeah, definitely, and I think having that competition within the squad just shows, like, you know, the strength in numbers that we have and the depth in our squad, and it just really pushed me on, like having the likes of Eve Dalton, Cara Martin, all the other centres there fighting for the same position. It just really drove me on, and I think I needed that as well to give me a bit of a kick, you know.